In this tutorial, I will show you how to order below MOQ on 1688 Chinese shopping app, a step-by-step guide. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to order below MOQ on 1688, a step-by-step guide. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for an item. So there are various ways to search for an item on 1688 shopping app. So one of the first way is to simply type the keyword of the item you want to buy in the search engine right here, and you are going to see a similar result. The other way to search for an item on 1688 is to use this camera icon right here, which stands for image search. Alternatively, you can simply scroll down like this and begin to check on different store as the case may be. So these are various simple ways to search for an item on 1688. After you have successfully searched for an item, next thing you need to do is to add an item to cart. So let's check out on how we can add item below MOQ to cart. Alright, so this item right here from this particular store, I need just one piece of this item. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add the item to cart. So it's going to open up to this particular page. So I need this blue color. So what I need to do is to click on here to select the color. Then I need just one piece. Right here, I will click on here to add one. Boom. So next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then the next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can see the item right here in my cart. For me to proceed to checkout, I need to make sure I select the item. So I have to click on here now to select the item. Then having selected the item, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I'm paying the sum of 43 yuan to purchase this single item right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then I need to click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. So as you can see right here, payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to close this pump up. Then I have to go back to my profile. So for me to visit my profile, I need to simply click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, so the item we just buy is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we have it. So this is how to simply buy below MOQ on 1688, a step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.